Alright guys, welcome to today's episode of Rusty Duck Garage. Hey, today we've got a 1981 Chevrolet Corvette here we'd like to show you. It's pretty much an original survivor type car, or at least that's what I'd like to call it. This car shows 22,500 miles on the odometer. We believe it to be 122,500, but the pedals really don't show anywhere, just a little wear on the tip of the brake pedal. The rest of the interior looks pretty nice. If it's 122,000 miles, they really took care of it because it appears to be wear all its original paint. Just a real nice car. 350 engine, automatic trans. Don't know if it's 350 or 400. Never took a look underneath to see or not. But this beige color is probably not my favorite color, but I've really grown to like this car. I think the American racing wheels really set it off. Running a 255 60/15 Cooper Cobra radial tire on this car. I think it fits it really nice, sets it up nice. Same size tire and wheel all the way around, 15x8 on the American racing wheels. Just looks good. We're going to do a cold start here real quick. All right, here we go for the cold start. Car starts up, runs really nice, choke works great. Carbureted car, can't hardly beat it. Nice survivor type car, obviously an Oregon car, local car, been around here a long time. Took it in trade on a street rod he had. Sean's had it for a year or so. Hadn't really driven it that much, just decided it's time for it to go. But it's gonna make somebody a nice fun car this summer. Looks like the seats have been recovered, but did a nice job. Otherwise it looks pretty much original. Not a lot of wear on the pedals. The dash is in good condition. We've all seen these cars when they're not so nice. This car, outstanding shape for the age of the vehicle and not being just an over-the-top restored car or anything like that. She's still doing her little warm-up here. We'll kick the choke down here in a second. So you can see it's just all the original Spog equipment still there. Hasn't been messed with. Now these cars have cruise control, vacuum operated. Remember we always pulled on them back in the day. Got the smog pump still on it. Little noise out of the belt there, but can be expected. Not a big deal. UGR valve still hooked up, all that stuff. I'll tell you what I like about these cars. You're not going to spend a fortune for it. The car's going to hold its value. If you don't spend your money foolishly, doing a lot of things to it that's not necessary, this would be like money in the bank. All right, guys, again, great car. The American racing wheels, I think, really sets this car off. These are not expensive wheels at all. 125, 150 bucks a piece. When you start looking at wheels, that's nothing. That's a cheap wheel, but it's the right wheel for this car. It's my favorite wheel. I don't think there's any other wheel that I want on this car other than the originals. And this car has the originals, but I really don't care for them. I think it looks great with these on there. I think the 15x8s fit it very well. I think the tires are the right size for the car. Great tire and wheel package for not a lot of money. Really picks up the car. Just makes it outstanding looking, in my opinion. Just a standout. These cars, you don't see them on the road much anymore. You'll see a few around in the summertime, but not very many. So it's kind of special to see one pull up. You pull up in the grocery store and there's one sitting next to you that's a nice clean example like this. It's kind of special. So I really like them. I think it's a great car. It makes somebody a great car. All right, we're going to bring the 1968 Chevrolet C3 and put her in for the night. She's raining outside. All right, guys, thanks for watching today's episode of Rusty Duck Garage. Hope you liked the episode of the Corvette. Nice little clean car Sean sold, and I wanted to catch a little video before it went away and share it with you. This is just a little bonus footage of Rusty Duck Garage, just kind of a random videos of our projects from various stages, from when we got them, along the way, from lowering the truck to starting to cut on it and put it back together, and just some other random shots in here. Hope you enjoy it. If you would, please hit that like button and that share button, and continue to watch Rusty Duck Garage, and we'll continue to bring you videos like this. Thank you. All right, in the comments section, I've had several people ask me what size the tires are. Okay, in the rear here, I was also asked what size tires they are. Later, guys. Welcome to market. I just went ahead and put my tape right along the marks. And of course, pointer, as I was able to cast a line on the inside and get it right where I wanted it there. And that really helped out, because I had troubles previously in one. You can see there I've cut 6 inches out. The one there, the marks shine up really well there. And then again, of course, we checked our measurements several times before we started cutting. You only get one good shot at it, unless you plan on repairing out. And we've got it outside where we could remove the trailer, and then we were cutting the ends of the frames off on it here. We're taking about 6 inches off. And I found that the cross member that goes across in the rear, I was planning on 10. As you can see, we're pretty well committed. We took 6 inches out here, dropped the end. All right, one more last look there before we put her away. Jared in the 86 Dante. 42s. The boys are just dropping by to say hi. Say hi to Rusty Duck Garage.
Hey, Rusty Duck Garage. Going great.
Dante, Big D. Stop in and see how things are going here.
Early.
Look good. Later, guys. I think it came out really pretty doggone good. No real warping to speak of. Pretty clean. We'll take and I don't know, probably do some patina paint on the top of it there. But if you would, please hit that like button, that share button, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And thanks for watching Rusty Duck Garage. Thank you.